Hi, it's Gareth from Port Monkeys, and we are in Juneau today. Notice the Juneau Hotel, that red building over there. And we are at the whale sculpture and the bridge over to West Juneau and Douglas and whatnot. Welcome to Juneau. In other words, we're way up there. You are here. The Tahku whale sculpture. I would point out the Capitol, but I don't think you could see it from here. But we're going to take a little spin around the whale sculpture. The Capitol is one of those buildings up there, between all the others. And at some point, this becomes a fountain and shoots water up, and water shoots out of the whale. We've been here for about 10 or 15 minutes now, and it hasn't happened. And I bet you're getting some wind noise. It's very windy. So this is a totem, and it's carved from a single log, or half a log. See that? And then a steel pole. But that's one log. Same with that one over there, just one log. Now, up there is the Mount Roberts tramway. You see a building on the top of that mountain? And I believe it's going to start raining here in just a few minutes, so that's why we didn't go up there today. Let's take a quick close-up look at Mr. Whale, or Mrs. Whale. Remember to move your device around or scroll around in the picture. If you just see the top of my fuzzy head, there is a whale in this video. Maybe two. So I'm walking on the ledge. It says do not enter the pool. I'm not entering the pool. I'm on the ledge. Of course, there's a nice boardwalk when you get down here. That's the boardwalk going off. And of course, there's the cruise ship. I came on one of those. Crown Princess. The other one is the Grand Princess. So that means there's only 2 cruise ships in Port of Juneau today. I have never been here when there was only 2 ships in port. There's always 5 or more. Although I think they limit it to 5 now. Anyway, that's the whale sculpture. Tahku. Now, there's something else interesting here. We'll get to in just a minute. Just want to make sure you get a good look at that whale sculpture. And I was hoping that the fountain would start. But all those like barnacles shoot out water, if I remember correctly. I've only seen it once, and it was from a distance, because I got tired of waiting. Now, there's also important information, historical information, and then there's the Janet statue. One of the loveliest statues in Juneau. So here's another totem. Look at the grill work on that. And the claws. People rode bikes. So, this is Gareth and Janet saying bye from Juneau, Alaska, and the Tahku whale sculpture. We'll see you in the next port.